So today, good afternoon. Today discussing the problems in the calculating line currents, phase currents, line voltages, phase voltages. So you are seeing in the screen. So one of the problem. So A dash. This is a neutral point. This is A point. This is small a. This is also neutral point. Okay. So first, so 3, this is the phase voltage, ABC sequence, 120 degrees at an angle of 0 voltage. This is one of the impedance. Second and third. What is this connection? So neutral point is given. This is star network. What is the relation between line voltages, phase voltages, line currents, and phase current? First, you are observing the example. First, in your brain, what is the connection? First thing, what is the connection? Star connection or delta connection? Next, what is the relation between line voltages and phase voltages? Next, what is the relation between line currents and phase current? First, observe these things, or after that, go to the problem. Clear? So first, the voltage 120 volts at an angle of 0. A sequence, it is ABC sequence. In the first one, 0.2 ohms plus J 0.5 ohms. Second one, 0.8 ohms plus J 1.5 ohms. Next, ZA, this is the load. This is the connecting load. What is the connection load? 39 ohm plus J 28 ohm. First, you are calculating all the impedances. These three impedances you calculate. First, adding three impedances: Z, Z small a, Z1 small a, Z capital A. Z ZA plus Z1A plus ZA. Adding 0.2 plus 0.8, 1 ohm, 1 ohm plus 39 ohms, 40 ohms, plus Z 0.5 ohm plus 1.52, 2 plus 28. So it is 30 ohms. Clear? All of you clear? So first, in the given example, you are calculating the line currents, phase currents, line voltages, phase voltages. First, you are observe what connection, star connection or delta connection. Next, second thing, what is the relation between line currents, phase currents, line voltages, phase voltages relation. After that, adding the three impedances ZZA plus Z1A plus ZA, 40 ohms plus J 30 ohms. Next, first you are calculating line currents for both load and source. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, this is the load impedance, this is the source impedance. Clear? What is the load impedance? What is the load impedance? 39 ohm plus J 28 ohm is load impedance, and source impedance, this is the source connecting, 0.2 ohm plus 0.8 ohm. 0.2 plus 0.8, 1 ohm plus J 2 ohm. This is the load impedance. This is the source impedance. First, line currents you are calculating for both load and sources. So what is the formula of line current? So the line current is equal to voltage by impedance. Clear? What is the formula of I? What is the formula of current I? I is equal to V by Z. Voltage by impedance. So all of you clear? V is equal to, what is the formula? V is equal to IR. So ఇక్కడ R అంటే ఏంటి? Impedance. I is equal to V by impedance. What is the impedance? ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇంపిడెన్స్ ఏంటి? Z small g a plus Z1 small a plus ZA. So this is the ZGA, this is Z1A, this is ZA. This is the load impedance. These two are load impedances. These two are the source impedance. This is the load impedance. Okay. So first, so all of you clear audio? So first VAN. So first, so already మనం discuss చేసాం. Voltage in the first sequence 120. So it is given 120. For example, in the another example given 220 also there. 230, 330, 400, anything. Okay, voltage in the first sequence, first phase, at an angle of 0 degrees. Okay, so first voltage at an angle of 0 degrees, second voltage at an angle of minus 120, third current, third voltage plus 120 degrees. Clear? First voltage 0 degrees, second voltage minus 120 degrees, third voltage plus 120 degrees. So VAN 120 volts at an angle of 0 by, what is the total impedance? 40 plus J30 ohms. 40 plus J30. These rectangular values is converted to polar values using calculator. So మనం calculator ని యూజ్ చేసి this rectangular value is converted into polar value. So convert చేసిన తర్వాత in the numerator, denominator is cancel. What is the current? 2.4 amperes at an angle of minus 36.87 degrees amperes. This is the current. 2.4 at an angle of minus 36.87 amperes. Same respectively, you are calculating I small b capital B, I small c capital C. You are calculating these three line currents, I small b capital B. Same process. So the three, సారీ ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, ఐ స్మాల్ బి క్యాపిటల్ బి, సేమ్ వి బి డాష్ ఎన్ బై సేమ్ ఇంపిడెన్స్. ఇంపిడెన్స్ ఈస్ సేమ్. So three currents, impedance is same, changing only voltage. So I small b capital B equal to V B dash N. V dash N ఎంతమ్మా ఇక్కడ? 120 at an angle of minus 120 degrees. You are calculating the current 2.4 amperes at an angle of minus 156.87 degrees. Same I small c capital C. Next, same process, the three-phase voltages of the load. You are calculating the line currents. After that, the three-phase voltages of the load. What is VAN? What is the phase voltage? A phase voltage, B phase voltage, C phase voltage. VAN, VBN, VCN. What is the formula? V is equal to IR. You are calculating the current, and you are already given in the impedance. Okay, so IAA. So IAA you are calculating just now 2.4 at an angle of minus 36.87 degrees. ZA. సో ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. ZA, this is the load. This is the load impedance. What is given load impedance? 39 ohms plus J28 ohm. అదేనమ్మా తీసుకుంది ఇక్కడ మనం. 39 plus J28 ZA. Same VBN. What is VBN? I small b capital B into ZB. ZB load ఏమన్నా వేరే ఇచ్చాడా? No. So same load ZA, same process. You are calculating line voltage, sorry, phase voltage. Next, same phase voltage. Clear all of you? I is equal to V by Z. I, you are calculating line currents, three line currents. After that, phase currents. What is the formula of phase current, phase voltage? V is equal to IZ. VBN, VAN at an angle of minus 120. Same in the voltage, same. VA is 120 volts at an angle of 0. Second one, 120 volts at an angle of minus 120. Third one, 120 volts at an angle of plus 120 degrees. Okay, so ఇలా calculate చేయాలి. Next, the three line voltages. You are calculating the line current and phase voltages and the three line voltages of the load. Okay, first, what is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage? Okay, so line voltage and phase voltage. Line voltage is equal to, in the star connection, line voltage is equal to square root 3 times of phase voltage. You are calculating the phase voltage. So already మనం phase voltage calculate చేసాం. First phase voltage, second phase voltage, third phase voltage. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి మనం? లైన్ వోల్టేజెస్ VAB, VBC, VCA. First, you are calculating AB sequence voltage square root 3 times of at an angle of 30 degrees first phase voltage. Second, root 3 times of at 30 degrees VBN. Third, root 3 times of 30 degrees VCN. VAN, VBN, VCN. సో ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. VAN, VBN, VCN. నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేస్తున్నావు. VAN క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసావు, VBN క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసావు, VCN క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసావు. ఇంకేం చేయాలి మనం? రూట్ 3 ఎట్ అన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ 30 degrees తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 3 సేమ్. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ ఫేసర్ డయాగ్రామ్ చెక్ చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ వోల్టేజ్ VAB, VBC, VCA. What is the phase voltage? VAN, VBN, VCN. What is the angle between phase voltage and line voltage? 30 degrees. Because of you are taking square root 3 times of at an angle of 30 degrees VAN. Second one, root 3 times of 30 degrees VBN, root 3 times of 30 degrees VCN. That's enough. It's very simple thing. VAB, VBC, VCA. So the three phase voltages of the source. Okay. So what is the source? ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి అమ్మా source. ఇది source. అంతేనమ్మా? This is the source impedance. You are calculating first. Same process అయినా చేయొచ్చు. VAN is equal to phase voltages. Same process. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎలా అయితే చేసామో phase voltages సేమ్ అలాగే చేయొచ్చు. IAA into ZA. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఇన్ ద స్టార్ కనెక్షన్ లైన్ కరెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫేజ్ కరెంట్. ఇంపిడెన్స్ ఒక్కటి ఇక్కడ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంపిడెన్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 0.2 ఓమ్స్ ప్లస్ జే 0.5 ఓమ్. సో ఇందాక ఎంత మనం ఇంపిడెన్స్ చేసాం? 39 ఓమ్ ప్లస్ జే 28 ఓమ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం? జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ చేంజింగ్ 0.2 ohm plus J 0.5. That's enough. This is the phase voltage calculation. The same in the line voltages. Same process. This is the calculating line voltages and phase voltages. So next, three-phase currents of the load in ABC sequence can be solved by three-node equations. Once the three-line currents I small a capital A, I small b capital B, I small c capital C are known. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, లైన్ కరెంట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం, సో ద లైన్ కరెంట్ small a phase to capital A, I small a capital A is equal to, so line currents IAB and CA. So already మనం ఈ డెరివేషన్స్ అన్ని మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో రిలేషన్స్ బిట్వీన్ లైన్ కరెంట్స్ అండ్ ఫేజ్ కరెంట్స్ లో చేసాం. సో IAB minus CA. Next B capital B you are calculating BC minus AB and CC CA minus BC. This is the relations between line currents and phase current. So this is the delta connection network. So ఒకసారి delta connection network చూడండి. A phase, B phase and the C phase. Line currents small a capital A and the phase currents relation I capital A small capital B and ICA capital C and capital A and I capital B capital C. So these are the phase currents. In the line currents you are calculating small a capital A, small b capital B, small c capital C. Then line currents. So this is the phasor diagram. So this is the phasor diagram. ABC sequence, phase currents and line currents. So the phase currents I capital A capital B. So ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి మనకి phase currents? AB, BC and CA. Okay. So phase currents and line currents. So what's the angle? Phase angle ఎంతమ్మా? 30 degrees. So this is the 30 degrees. This is the average power delivered to impedance. So what is the single phase power? VI cos phi. P is equal to VI cos phi. So you are also derive this equation also. So what is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage in the star connected system? And neutral point is given. This is the star load. So single phase P is equal to VI cos phi. Antanamma. So relation V is equal to line voltage is equal to square root 3 times of phase voltage. So what is the phase voltage? Line voltage by square root of 3. What is the relation between phase current and line current in the star connection? Line current is equal to phase current. So I repeat, explain what is the relation between line current and phase current is. So the line current is equal to phase current in the star connected system. Next, what is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage is phase voltage is equal to VL by square root of 3. At the same time, line voltage is equal to square root 3 times of phase voltage. Square root 3 times of phase voltage. Next, the total power delivered to the star load is three-phase system 3 into VI cos phi. So the three-phase power 3 into VI cos phi. So the relation 3 VI cos phi. So load voltage is equal to square root 3 times of phase voltage. Phase voltage is equal to VL by square root of 3. So phase voltage is equal to VL by square root of 3. Your take substitution. IL is equal to I phase is equal to IL. So square root 3 is cancelled. Root 3 VL IL cos phi. This is the three phase power in the star connection. Complex power of a balanced star load. The reactive powers of one phase and the entire Y load are ఏమ్మా సో మనం ఇదే కదా ఇప్పుడు డిరైవ్ చేసాం ఇదేనమ్మా సో 3 into V phase I phase sin phi ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ రియాక్టివ్ పవర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాక్టివ్ పవర్ VI cos phi. What is the reactive power? VI sin phi. Clear? V phase I phase sin phi is reactive power. What is the active power? P is equal to VI cos phi. Okay. So reactive power is equal to square root 3 VL IL sin phi. What is the complex powers of one phase and the entire star load are? So P plus J into Q. What is P? It is active power. What is Q? It is reactive power. What is the complex powers of one phase and the entire star system? Root 3 VL IL e power j into theta phi. E power j into theta phi. This is the complex power of one phase and the entire star load. Next, last one phase instantaneous powers. The instantaneous power of load A impedance is, so this is the instantaneous power of load. So VAN of T, IAN of T. So VM IM cos omega T, cos of omega T plus theta phi. The instantaneous powers, you are taking the instantaneous powers in the ZA, ZB, ZC. సో ఇలా ప్రతి ఒక్క ఇంపిడెన్స్ కి మనం ఇన్స్టంటేనియస్ పవర్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. సో పిఏ పిబి అండ్ పిసి. సో ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఏం అవసరం లేదమ్మా, ఇవన్నీ మనల్ని ఏం అడగడు. సో ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఇప్పుడైతే అవసరం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద complete